Hello children, how are you? This is your teacher. Today we are going to do the second part of Let's Learn Windows lesson. If you haven't watched the first part of this lesson, it's better to watch it and come back. Let's Learn Windows Part 2. From this lesson, we are going to learn what is known as a window, features of the control panel, and the components of a window. So, let's learn more about Windows 10 operating system. When you double click on any icon or when you open a program or an application, a rectangular frame appears on the screen. This is known as a window. The recycle bin. You can find the icon for this program on your desktop. By double-clicking on the icon, you can open this window. The recycle bin contains the files you have deleted. You have the option to restore any deleted file from this place if needed. The calculator. You can run this program by typing calculator on the search bar. With this, you can do mathematical calculations. This calculator has many options to do various types of calculations. The WordPad. You can run this program by typing WordPad on the search bar. You can use this to type documents and letters. The control panel. The control panel is a special feature of the Windows operating system that allows the user to modify system settings and controls. This includes several small applications that can be used to view and change hardware or software settings. Some examples of hardware controls are the mouse, keyboard, and the sound settings. Examples of software controls are date and time, power options, font and administrative tools. Let's see how to change some of the hardware or software settings. Now, let's learn how to change the wallpaper, screensaver, screen resolution, and mouse pointer and speed. Wallpaper is the background image that you see on your desktop. To change this, type background image settings in the search bar. You will see a similar window on your computer. From this window, you can change the wallpaper and apply it. The applied picture will appear as the desktop wallpaper. Changing the screensaver. Screensaver is an image or an animation that you see when your computer stays idle for a specified time. You can get the screensaver settings screen by typing change screensaver in your search bar. Now you can select a screensaver and apply it. After that, you have to wait for a minute without doing any work on the computer and see what happens next. Changing the screen resolution. You should know the meaning of the word resolution in computer terms. It means the number of pixels in each dimension that can be displayed. A pixel is a tiny point or a color dot on your screen with red, green, or blue color. The screen resolution is usually quoted as width into height. As an example, 1024 into 768. To change the resolution, type Display Settings in the search bar to get the Display Settings screen. There you can find the resolution changing option towards the bottom of the screen. This shows you the exact location where you can find the option. Changing the mouse pointer and speed. Type Control Panel on the search box. Open the Control Panel and click on the mouse. Now, by going through different tabs, you can change the select button, pointer and the pointer options of your mouse. System Properties. This window shows you many details about your computer, such as the version of the edition of Windows operating system is installed in your computer, the name of the registered person to use this copy of Windows, the type of processor, the installed memory of the computer, and other important information regarding your computer. To see the system properties, select System from your control panel screen. To see the system properties, select System from your control panel screen. This is the window that you see when you select System. You should see the information according to your computer. This shows you the component or the parts of a window. Title bar is located in the top of the window. It shows the name of the program or window. Menu bar is located just below the title bar and it has different menu options. Minimize button is used to minimize the window. Maximize button is used to maximize the window. Close button is used to close the window. When the content of the window is too large to display in the window, the scroll bar appears. There are two types of scroll bars called vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. I am sure that you know these components and you have used them, but it is important to learn the proper name and use of each component. Now it's time to practice. Follow the steps that you have learned earlier to do the activities. Start your computer. Change the wallpaper and screensaver. Then open the mouse properties window. Change the mouse speed and mouse pointer. Next, open the notepad and identify the components of its window. Let's review what we learned today. First, we learned what is a window, then components of a window. Also, we have learned about the control panel and its features. I hope you enjoyed the today's lesson well. Now you can download the student note from the school website and copy it down on your notebook. That is all for today. We will meet with another interesting lesson soon. Thank you and have a nice day.